got in the house from being out in the woods, and my cat, for the last 10 minutes since I was out in the woods, she's never done this. Whenever I wipe my hands off on the back of my leg from that peanut butter jar, she is standing here, sitting here, with the hair standing up on her back and smelling my leg and my hands. What do you smell, baby? Huh? I smell my hand? She's shying away from my hand. Oh, here she goes. Right there. Whatever I wiped that, I touched that peanut butter jar down my leg or something. Or, I don't know. She has never done this anytime I've come in out of the woods. But you can almost see the hair standing up on her back. And all she has done now for probably close to 10 minutes is smell my leg. So far, just my left leg. I don't remember. Look at this. What's the matter, baby? Something had to be out there. You can see the hair standing up on her back. See it? Yeah? She's kind of comparing my hand smell to my leg. Look at that. She wants to know what the heck I've touched. I haven't even had a chance to post a video from out there. I found my Tupperware bowl with food empty. I found my peanut butter jar fully empty, and it was licked clean. I lost it, must be on the way out of my pocket coming out of the woods. On my walk through the woods. And she is making the weirdest noise that I've never heard her make. Obviously she's done smelling me. No, she's smelling. Oh, I thought my boots were right there. Alright, guys. I want to get these videos posted. Get them Bluetoothed over to my computer. So remember, hit subscribe, thumbs up, share my videos. Till the next time, hasta la vista.